Hi friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to learn how to write a how-to paper. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. As you can see, I already have all my stuff set up for you so you can see how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Step 1, you will need 2 slices of bread. Step 2, you need to take peanut butter and put the peanut butter on 1 slice of bread. Make sure you spread the peanut butter all the way around the bread, touching every part of it. Step 3, take your jelly and put your jelly on the other slice of bread. Step 4, you're going to take the peanut butter and the jelly and you're going to put them together. And look at that, I have a nice peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Step 5, enjoy the peanut butter and jelly sandwich. It's delicious. That is how you make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.